Okay, this is a second example. This time, the vertex of this function is 0, -3, and the point that it goes through is 12, 6. Okay, so I'm going to take you through my steps again. Step number 1, fill in the vertex.
Sorry.
So into the function, I'm going to fill in the vertex. So we have y equals, I went ahead and used y this time instead of f of x, okay, just to give you a, I don't know, I just did. Equals a times x plus 0, x plus 0. So look at the x value of the vertex is 0. Remember, this is supposed to be x minus h right here, so I put plus 0 and then squared, and then I filled in the y value of the vertex right here, which is k, so -3, -3. All right, so step number 1, fill in the vertex, okay? Now, step number 2, we come over here and it tells us to solve for a. So this is where you need to take the point that was given, which was what? Right there, 12, 6. So 12, 6 for the point. The y value is 6, okay? The x value is 12. The x value is 12. And look at the only variable that's left is a, so that's what we're going to solve for. So 6 is equal to a. Right here I added together 12 plus 0, that's 12, squared minus 3. In the next step, I squared 12, right? So 12 squared, 12 times 12, 144. So that's how I have 6 equals 144a and then minus 3. I'm trying to get a by itself, so I add 3 to both sides. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is equal to 144a. I want to get a by itself, so I need to divide both sides by 144. 9 divided by 144, the greatest common factor here is 9. So I divide them both by 9, right? And that gives me 1/16. Okay, so that's my value of a. Again, I have a value that is between 0 and 1. That's going to be a vertical compression. It's going to squish it down. It's going to be a fat quadratic, okay? Last step, part 3, is to write the function. Put it all together. So we've got y equals, the a value was 1/16, so I plug that in right there, times x plus, here's my vertex, 0 and -3. All right, now I'm going to come back, and because this is a plus 0 right here, I'm not going to keep the plus 0 right here. When I go to type it in on IXL, I'm just going to put x squared. In fact, I don't think you even have to put the x in parentheses, since there is nothing after that x in the parentheses there. But nonetheless, there you go, folks.